friends, welcome back to Amma's Nalapaka. Today we are making a classic coastal combo, mushroom ghee roast with soft Neer Dosa. Let's begin. First soak 1 glass of rice for 2 hours. Then soak red chili for 30 minutes. Take a pan, dry roast 2 teaspoon coriander and cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, black pepper and poppy seed. Roast until fragrant. Once the mixture cools down, add it to a jar along with 12 garlic clove, half inch ginger chopped, 10 cashews, drained red chilies, grinded to a smooth paste. Heat 2 spoons of ghee in a pan. Add mushrooms and saute for a few minutes until they shrink slightly. Then add some salt, mix it well, then remove and keep it aside. In the same pan, add 1 more spoon of ghee. Add the prepared masala paste and saute on a low flame until the raw smell disappears. Also add some water, pinch of salt and mix it well. Now add the fried mushroom back in, mix well so the masala coats the mushroom completely. Add some tamarind juice, pour half glass of water and mix it well. Add little jaggery and some curry leaves, mix it well, cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the ghee separates and mushroom becomes flavorful. Until then, transfer the drained rice to a blender. Add some water and grind it to a smooth, thin batter. Consistency should be watery. Add salt and mix well and Neer Dosa batter is ready. Now garnish the masala with some coriander leaf. Our rich and aromatic mushroom ghee roast is ready. Serve it hot with soft Neer Dosa. The spicy masala and buttery flavor pair perfectly matches with this light Neer Dosa. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our Amma's Nalapaka. See you in the next video.